Season's greetings. I was supposed to record Oh Holy Night in the studio, but unfortunately time didn't permit, and it's one of my favorite Christmas songs. So from me to you, I'd like to do it now. Oh holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angels' voices. All night divine, all night when Christ was born. All night divine, all night divine. Merry Christmas from us to you, and have a happy and prosperous 2013.